In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Commonwealth Bank credit card. First things first, you'll need to have its official mobile app installed on your phone. If you haven't downloaded it yet, just head to your App Store or Google Play Store and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it up and log into your account using its login credentials. However, if you have not yet registered for online banking, you need to sign up for a new one. Once you're logged into the app, tap on the Cards tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll find all your CommBank debit and credit cards. Your new credit card should appear here with a message that says something like Activate Now. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, the app will ask you to confirm a few security details, usually the last 4 digits of your card and your CommBank app PIN. This step is just to make sure it's really you activating the card. Once you've verified everything, tap on Activate. In a few seconds, you'll get a confirmation message letting you know your card is now active and ready to use. Well, that's how you activate your Commonwealth Bank credit card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.